And the people had heard that Jesus was in Jerusalem. Gathering palm branches, they ran out to meet him, waving the palms in the air and praising him.
Hosanna
to the King. Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord.
As he approached Jerusalem and saw the city, Jesus wept over it and said,
O Jerusalem, how often have I longed to gather your children together, but you are not willing. If you had only known on this day what would bring you peace, but you did not recognize the time of God's coming to you.
For he knew that in a matter of days, this same crowd would rise against him with cries of crucify. Hear of the Lord's promise.
In the last days, you will see the Son of Man coming on the clouds with great power and glory, and he will send his angels and gather his children from the four winds, from the ends of the earth to the ends of the earth.